Hello class, this is Mrs. Nelson and welcome to your first online math group, and you should have some teacher work that looks very similar to mine. Now everybody's classwork will look a little bit different. Your numbers will look different. You can work together in your groups to help each other. However, your problems are not going to be identical because I've made the worksheets different from each of you. So go ahead and take out a whiteboard and a marker, please, and let's do this together. So let's write the number right here. We're going to write the number 457. I'm going to move that over. 457. Write that on your whiteboard. Now, this is the number that we're looking at here, and I'll show you how to fill out the worksheet in just a little bit. However, we're looking at 457. Okay, and you're going to decide, it says label each digit with the place value name. So I want the name of this digit. What is the name of it? Okay, what is that place value? Well, it's sitting in what place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You will fill that in here. Ones. The place value name for this one, what is that one? If this is the ones place, what is this place value? Write it out in words, because you already know that some of the place values here, we have the place values for the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and we also have the thousands. You only have to worry about these ones. Where do these go here? Do they, which digit? Label each digit with the place value name. The 4, that digit, what is its place value name? What place does it sit in? The 5, what place value? Okay, I know that this one will be the ones, and I'll fill it in. I'll write it on my paper. The 5 sits in the hundreds, or excuse me, the tens. And then the 4 sits in the hundreds. And I'll fill that in, okay? Make sure you write neatly so I can see this, okay? All right, so the next problem, if you're looking down here, is it's saying what is the value of the underlying digit? Okay, so what is that value? So we're going to look here, and we're going to look at the digit that's right here. We're looking at this underlying digit. We're looking at this underlying digit. How much is it worth? That's what value means. How much is it worth? Well, this 4 is sitting in the tens place, so it is going to be 40, worth 40, because it's 4 groups of 10. Okay, this 3 is sitting in the hundreds place value. It's going to be worth 300. Okay, so that's what you do there. Now it's looking at here. Write each digit in expanded form. Remember, expanded form means you tell me each digit, how much are they worth, and add them together. So I have 6, which is worth 60, and then I have the 8, which is sitting in the ones place, so it's going to be 8. So expanded form. Okay, write each digit in expanded form. So now I have 100, so I have one group of 100, so 100, plus I have 5 groups of 10 for 50, plus one group of 6. Remember, put parentheses around these numbers because they are together. Okay, so now you have to take this number down here and write it in standard form. So standard form, anything that's written like a normal number. 23, that is standard form. 188, that is standard form. It tells you that there is a 2 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. They're together, so you have 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 1. 1 group of 100, 8 groups of 10, 8 groups of 1. So write it in standard form. So you would take 80 is worth 8 groups of 10 plus the 7 for 87. So the last question here that you are going to look at is how many groups of 10 are there in 481? So to do that, what I always look at is I look at the tens place, because I want to look at how many groups of 10. So then I take the whatever's sitting in the tens place, and I take everything in front of it. So there are 48 groups of 10. Okay, so if I had the number 291, how many groups of 10 are in 291? Write this down. I'll look at the tens place, and then I will circle everything in front of it for 29. Okay? If you have questions, concerns, I will see this tomorrow. Turn it in when you're done, and I will see if you can handle moving up into the next group. To group 2. You are currently, in group 1. You're currently in group, everybody starts in group 0. So if you have questions, concerns, let me know. I will see you in your next group.